So I'm working on these drawers right now, and did dovetails, and they went together fine, but we got a little wobble. It's not as pronounced as it was before I did the glue up, but you can see there's a bit of a wobble. And I've gone around with this and measured all the corners, and they're all the same on this piece and on this piece. And then two corners on this piece are the same, and this piece. But this was an issue before this was even added. So what to do? Well, it seemed like there is, let's see, it's down here and it's down here. So I've marked here where there's material here. We'll go ahead and mark on this one, there's material here. I'm thinking if I take that away, it might level it out. I'm not sure, but it's worth a try. Stick it in my vise for this one. Move it around for the other one. Well, that did something. It's not, well, it's not, didn't seem as pronounced, but it's hard to see. Not as bad on this side. Still quite a bit this side. Again, marking on this side. A little more area. There's a bump here, so I may need to go just see real quick. Bumps over here. So there's a little bit more here. It's not as bad as it was, and there's really none over on this side. So the only spot left really to do, if we care to do it, This is solid. This side is solid. This has still got a little tilt. But if we want to just keep going with it, I would say it would be a little more down here. At this point, it's pretty much where I want it to be. There's not a lot of, certainly not where it was. Might be a little bit, but for my purposes with a drawer, this is fine. So what you do is just figure out where you've got more material, mark it with your pencil, use a plane or a chisel to work just that area off until you get to a point where it stands the way you want to on the table or the, on the surface. And that seemed to work fine for me, and it'll probably work fine for you as well. Thanks for watching.